Hi, this is the Avionaut Stardust, which is Avionaut's newest car seat. I already made a video on it a couple of weeks ago just to introduce it and show you its features, but in this video I'm just going to do the installation to show you how that works. This will be a very quick short video because these types of ISOFIX car seats don't take very long to install at all. And this car seat is in fact so brand new that it's still got the tags on, so I'm just going to pull those off. And now we're ready to go. This car seat has individual ISOFIX arms. In some of them, you press a button or pull a strap and they come out together, but this one, you do it one by one. Before the seat can be installed in the car, you need to make sure that the support leg is folded out. And you do that by just laying the seat on its side. The support leg is down here. You fold it out and slide it backwards, then reposition the seat. When you slide the leg out, it will reveal this green indicator, so you just need to double check that it's all the way out and you can see that green bit. You then need to slide out the ISOFIX arms one by one. You do that by pinching these two grey buttons and sliding it all the way out, and again with the other one, slide it out as far as it will go. And then click it into the car's ISOFIX points until the indicator turns green. The same on the other side. Most of the time, both ISOFIX arms will click into place at the same time, but it's always a good idea just to double check that the second one has gone in. The next step is to close the gap between the rebound bar and the vehicle seat's backrest, and you do that simply by pushing the seat from the back here all the way in. It will ratchet and click, and then what I always like to do is just pull it towards me one click and away a click, and again one more click and one more click, and then you know it's really secure. Because if you try to just push it all the way in and stop there, it won't be quite as tight as if you give it an individual wiggle. And now the leg needs to be lowered down to the floor. While we're here, I do just want to apologise for the state of my car, but I didn't have time to hoover it before making this video. So the way to extend the leg is there is a button on the back here. I don't know if you can see. You press that button, the leg will go down, you push it down. Whilst holding this down, you grab the leg and click it up until it locks into place. I've just removed it again because when I installed it a minute ago, I did it on minimal legroom, but this car seat actually has the option to extend the legroom slightly for the child by adjusting the rebound bar. It's currently on its smallest setting. You push it down to adjust it, so you can click it into place here, that's the middle setting, or a bit lower down for maximum legroom. I've now reinstalled the Stardust on its maximum legroom setting, and as you can see there is more space here for the child's legs. And the final thing is to attach the side impact protection block. There is a little bit that sticks out here, there is a hole there, and you attach it to that hole. So you just line up the bit that sticks out on the back of the side impact block with the hole in the side of the car seat, turn it 90 degrees until it locks into place. And before I make another video to show you how to take the seat out of the car, I'm just going to quickly show you how to adjust it. So there's a swivel feature as well as a recline, and they are both operated with the same lever. The lever is located here at the bottom, so when I squeeze it, I can recline the seat and also turn the seat towards the door. So that's how you install the Avionaut Stardust. I will make a video soon of the newborn insert that is available as an extra, but unfortunately because the seat is so brand new and so popular, the inserts have sold out and I haven't received mine yet. But as soon as I do, I will make that video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.